So this is my residential area. Krishnanagar, where I live. And I'm gonna take you guys to the Kanpur Highway. Just very close by. Now today I'm driving Scorpio, which is one of my SUVs. Now I don't really like driving SUV cars, but I like the fact that they're more like trucks. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's just a nice feel to feel like you can drive something so big. Okay. And this is the Krishnanagar metro station. We're going under. Oh, just a minute. Now we're gonna make a U-turn from here. So now we're heading back home. I'm so sorry for this really shaky camera, guys. Here we are. This is the intersection. And yeah, here we go. Okay, here we are. I think I definitely need a new phone mount, but I guess this is it for today. I think once I get a new this phone mount, I'll certainly show you guys some other areas around. I think I chose the wrong car because this one is so shaky. I think it's not the problem of the car more than it is of the road and stuff. So yeah. Oh God, I'm so sorry for all all the potholes and shit. But I really wanted to do this video for all of you who asked me to do this dashboard type video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my other plane spotting videos and normal stuff, but I am definitely sure that I'm going to be doing a lot many of these what do we call it, dashboard type of videos, or car driving videos, or things like that.
Scorpio is running on reserve fuel. Your Scorpio is running on reserve fuel.
See cows and everything. Alright guys, thank you very much. I'm about to reach home now. So yep,